how to fix TikTok messages not sending. When you get into a problem like this one, you need to go firstly on your profile selection on your TikTok, then you need to select settings and privacy right here by getting on your right upper side. And when you get right here, as you can see, you have many different options in which it will be included the right one option, which is going to the main site for feedbacks. Simply go support and report a problem. When you get right here, guys, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can find out all that selections which are so much important for you and for your guard section. Yeah, now as you scroll down, you have all these selections, as I said, to take off and fix the sending messages tools. And if you simply take off and go on that selection, which is for a direct message, for example, yeah, right from here, you will need to wait. And yeah, all these selections are getting into one main thing, which is for messaging and pairing your site problem. Now you're going to select the right problem which is detected on your site, and yeah, for example, that one. And right from there, yeah, here you can take and report the problem, but before you do that, they will give you a top selection with a description from the supporting team of TikTok, and then they ask you, is your problem resolved now? You say no, for example, and then you go need more help, and right here you're gonna be available again to take a note for your problem to fix it by the supporting team of TikTok.